Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with another video on Infosys training and the process which will be happen in Mysore Infosys campus. Right? Before that, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, share and like my videos. If already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Okay? And in this video, we are going to see two types of things. The one who came for winter internship, those are undergraduates, and the students who came after the graduation for the training, right? The one who came for a winter internship, they are going to get 10,000 for a month, and the graduates who came for training, they will get 6,000 for month. Okay, and the graduates will be undergoing with pre-test and they should able to get 65%. If you qualified in pre-test, you are going to choose the stream as well, right? And in this pre-test, you are going to get few of the basic things like verbal questions, aptitude, and you can able to solve with your basic knowledge, right? Let us going into the video. After you entered the campus, you are going to undergo induction phase, which will be happening for 5 days, right? In this induction period, you are going to get, in these 5 days you are going to get your laptops and ID card distribution will be happening, and you are going to get few of the instructions from the educators, and exam pattern will be discussed, and few of the do's and don'ts will be discussed, document collection as well as, and NATS and BOT form will be filled by you and under the educator instructions, right? And you are going to generate NSR pin as well, and these all will be discussed by the educators. No need to worry about anything, and everything will be by the process itself. And after the induction phase, your actual training starts, and which is Java followed by DBMS. Okay, and after these 5 days of induction, you are going through 2 days of behavioral skills, which will be mainly focused on what type of skills should be implemented in this software industry, like few of the things like behavior, which type of behavior you have to have, those type of things. And after these 2 days of behavioral skills, you are going to get generic training, which consists of Java as well as DBMS. After clearing your Java generic training, you are going to get 2 days of behavioral skills classes. After this, stream training will be given. Your stream will be chosen randomly by themselves, and you have to go through this stream training. After completion of that, you will get 2 days of behavioral skills classes, and in all the above exams you have to get 65 above percentage, right, in order to qualify. And in the generic, you are going to get FA1 exam on Java and FA2 on DBMS. In technical stream, based on the streams, you will get FAs. Few streams will be given with 4 FAs, or few will get 3 FAs, and the third FA is on project, and these two on your stream questions or queries, and then followed by L&D exam. L&D exam is nothing but your English, like verbal only, like the things which you learned in behavioral skills. Okay, the exam is on that only. You can easily crack that if you follow the educators classes as well as Lex content, and all the exams can be cleared using the Lex content. Lex is a referring material, like it is a type of website where you can get a referring materials, using by reading those or by just viewing those, you can able to clear those exams. Okay, in my following videos, I am going to prepare few of the Java and DBMS queries examples, which helps to crack these FAs, right? Let us crack the exam, and until that, be good and stay strong and be healthy. Thank you so much. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.